Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. I know it's been a few weeks since I uploaded. Had to take a little vacation down to Hawaii and finally get some more inventory in so we can start shooting some stuff. So once again, as always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Pedada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And today we're looking at a pretty nice toy hauler. This is a 2019 Cruiser RV Stryker STF-3713. This thing is 42 feet long, is of course a double axle, has a 13-foot garage in the back, and it's a pretty nice toy hauler when it's all said and done. So we're gonna give it a good look, full exterior look, full interior look, and go from there. So let's walk around, go over here to this driver's side. We'll start in the rear. As you can see, you got a fold-up ladder there to get to the roof. There is two ACs up top, 50-amp power service, and you got your fuel fill station right there. 4-point auto leveling system. And of course, let's get a date code for you on these tires. I'd be surprised if they're not original. Looking at that, 3118, they are original. 235 ADR 16s. And you can see part of your dump right there under the slide. Now, this slide right here has a couch and a fridge in it. You can see the exhaust for the fridge right there. And then moving over to the left, you got another slide for your closet in the bedroom. Furnace, some water connections. This is for your leveling system. There you go. And then some storage right under that. Not as big as, you know, some of the other storages you see on these fifth wheel toy haulers. You'll see why on the other side. Propane tank right there, 5 gallon. Oh, before we do that, let's check out the weight. I think it was 17,000 pounds. Yep, 17,000 pounds loaded. What do we got for cargo? Cargo carrying capacity down here, 3318. So, what is that? 13.6 and some change dry. You have some nice LEDs up front. And right behind that is a 5500 evap genset. And then a couple batteries to the left. It does have a auto level control button there too, which is nice. And it's really hard to see those lights, but they are on. Got 2 lines of LEDs and then 1 up top. All right, here on the passenger side, got a pretty decent size awning. Looks to be about a 20-footer, maybe a hair bigger. Solar connection for an exterior panel right there. Another propane tank on the other side. And then the other side of that, pass-through storage. As you can see, a couple connections there, coax and power. We got back of the water heater. This should be, let's see if they've been upgraded. 6 gallon standard water heater. All right, now to the left, while you don't have as much storage because you got all this little outdoor kitchen stuff. So you got a little stove top right here. You can see your propane connection right below. And then a little baby sink. And this just pops in, pops out. Quick connect. And then you got a little baby outdoor fridge. Looks like it's literally never been used. What a surprise. All right, for your main entry into the coach, you do have those solid step systems, which are nice. You just roll it up when you're in. This guy, a little bit older style, kind of just folds into itself, stores outside, unlike the other one, but that is an entryway into your garage. Try to avoid that sun. Now down below, I do have a nice little tire carrier. If you can't put 2 tires on there in case you do have a couple blowouts. Now in the rear, like I said, a 13-foot garage. I'll show you all the damage on this coach too. Looks like you got a little bit there trying to shove something in here, probably just a hair too big. Now, of course, these couches do turn into a sleeper. All you do is fold over that top cushion on both sides, and then you got a nice, pretty much a king bed. You know, there's no real designation for them, but of course, if for any reason that's not enough, you do have a mattress right above that. And then we go in here and turn around, duck down a little bit. Now that mattress, of course, is not standard size. The standard is just this little cushion down here, this glorified dog bed. So this was added separately. See, there's a ladder there. All right, now the rest of the garage, up top you got all your control buttons, bed lifts, things like that. Some storage up there for really tall people. Sorry about all the noise. There's a guy on an electric bicycle. My gosh. All right, so little baby sink right here, and little bit of storage under there, mainly just kind of water line areas. Just behind that to the left, we do have that half bath, and that's literally all it is just a half bath just for that room. Now you're seeing that down there and up there. You can disconnect this and pretty much move this wall if for any reason that extra couple inches right there in length and corner will help you out. So kind of nice. And then this door does also have a lock. All right, making our way into the main galley area. It does have a nice glass panel door. Your slide is to the left, kind of hard to see, but follow that crown molding all the way down right past that fridge right there. Has a 3-cushion double recliner sofa. And then to the right, pretty much your dinette. Nice little bench seating. You could add some extra chairs on this side if you wanted to. See that nice Summit, what is that, a 40, maybe a 46-inch TV up there with some more nice tall storage for people that have step ladders. Then for the kids, another little bunk area up there. So very nice. Now before we run by them, show you my printouts here. $59,995 is what we're selling this coach for. You can see some of the weights, tank sizes, but really, there is your floor plan. And then there you can see some of that info for the sizes. All right. So continuing on, right behind me is the main entry door. There's your sofa, some pantry storage, a couple shelves there, and I think you got 3 down here. Yeah. Dometic 2-door, 3-way fridge. Sound like a broken record. Say this every time. Propane or electric, or plugged in. And some more storage up there for slightly taller people. The kitchen is nice. Got a little LED strip up there with a whole bunch of cabinetry. Decent sized counter space. And even more cabinetry down below with a nice kind of farmhouse sink. A metal single base sink right here. No extension on the faucet, but Corian tops throughout. Little baby oven. If you've seen one of these Furrion newer style ovens, you've seen them all. And then of course your glass cover for your 3-burner Furrion. Fan and light, microwave just to the right. Some little bit of storage and some more storage right there to the right of that. Show you everything it's got, even if I can't see it. Looks like that is fully connected to this left one also. And then of course, down below, you got a couple of drawers, 2 small drawers there, and then storage under the sink. Now it looks like they did have a slight water leak at one time. You can see some of that wood and veneer coming off there and right there, how it expanded. They must have got it, but probably sat for just a little bit here. That's that, and the entry door are probably the 2 imperfections I found on this coach. Overall, it's quite nice. Before we make it to the, oh, that's bright, bedroom and bathroom, shut that. Before we make it to the bedroom and bathroom, you do have a control panel to the right here with a whole bunch of light controls, slide control. I do got the gen running to show you the hours, 89.5, fuel, water heater, and then level testers. The other slide's very interesting. So it starts literally right here outside the bedroom and goes into the bedroom. This door does have to be folded a certain way to be able to access it. It's a little dark. You can't see anything. Is there a light in here? There we go. See, a little bit of storage there right when you walk in, little baby wardrobe. And then to the right is that bathroom, which has a plastic toilet in the corner, plenty of room. Look at the shower pan. Not a bath by any means, but pretty decent size. I mean, and it's got a skylight, so if you're taller, accessing those cabinetries, you can fit in the shower. And then, of course, a little bit of teepee storage down below. Now, this does have a double entry into the bedroom. So 1 entry to the left, this one right here. This bed is quite unique. It is a queen bed setup right now, but you can fold down that little extension and pretty much make it a king bed. The problem I have with it is your platform doesn't go that far. You can see a little bit of a custom made platform there. So really just call it a queen sleeper. I mean, you could change the mattress or really extend the platform to make that usable. And then you got 2 storage compartments there. Same exact thing on the left side. Thermostat right here in the bedroom on top of the one in the main living area. And then your closet the extension of that slide goes right here. So little desk area, couple drawers, drawer, and then wardrobe, as you can see. Very cool, very nice, pretty cool, interesting, unique floor plan. When this slide is in, you do have to have that, shut that. You do have to have this door magnetically attached to the slide, and then this whole thing comes in. So you do lose access to the bathroom, as you can see, because the slide's right there. You lose access to the bathroom. For the most part, you can open the door a little bit and then lose that door access too. And then lastly, this slide, you don't really lose anything. We're gonna actually show you here in a second, since you do have those double entry doors. So let me shut this bad boy up and we'll see how she looks. All right, your main control panel for the main galley slide is right at the entry door. Our slide is in. As you can see, that walkway right there, I mean, you could, you know, jump across, I guess, and get there, but realistically, you got that other bedroom or other garage. And then the other slide controls behind that panel, that little hidden one. Once again, not very accessible. I mean, you can barely slightly open that bathroom door and kind of slip by, but you know, when the slides are in, this thing is going to be tough to use the bathroom. I mean, fridge and kitchen is still accessible if you could fit through there or jump over. That's about it. Let me get this awning in and all the compartments shut and show you how this thing looks while you're on the road. All right, so obviously everything's closed up minus the stairs. Those will fold in and you move the little handrail to the side. Same concept with this rear door. And I don't know how none of y'all told me, but I forgot to show you the roof. So we're gonna have to check that out too really quick. So there is that driver's side all closed up. Let me get up on the roof and not get hit by these trees. All right, double AC up there, local TV antenna, and a whole bunch of vents. Roof looks good. A couple small wrinkles, but to be expected. All your caulking seems to be in good condition too. And there you have it. That right there is a walkthrough of a 2019 Cruiser RV Stryker STF-3713. 42-foot double axle, selling it for $59,995. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. I am one of the sales guys here, so if you are interested, check out the description box. You'll see all my contact info, including a link to our website. Look forward to hearing from you. Hope you guys have a great day.